The first reading is from Songs of Songs, chapter 3. Asleep on my bed, night after night, I dreamt of the one I love. I was looking for him, but couldn't find him. I went wandering through the city, through its streets and alleys. I looked for the one I love. I looked, but couldn't find him. The sentries patrolling the city saw me. I asked them, "Have you found my lover?" As soon as I left them, I found him. I held him and wouldn't let him go until I took him to my mother's house, to the room where I was born. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Responsorial Psalm is from Psalms chapter 63. Your constant love is better than life itself, and so I will praise you. I will give you thanks as long as I live. I will raise my hands to you in prayer. My soul will feast and be satisfied, and I will sing glad songs of praise to you. As I lie in bed, I remember you. All night long, I think of you. I cling to you, and your hands keep me safe. Those who are trying to kill me will go down into the world of the dead. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. John, chapter 20, verses 1 to 11 to 18. Early on Sunday morning, while it was still dark, Mary Magdalene went to the tomb and saw that the stone had been taken away from the entrance. She went running to Simon Peter and the other disciple whom Jesus loved and told them, "They have taken the Lord from the tomb, and we don't know where they have put him." Mary stood crying outside the tomb. While she was still crying, she bent over and looked in the tomb and saw two angels there dressed in white, sitting where the body of Jesus had been, one at the head and the other at the feet. "Woman, why are you crying?" they asked her. She answered, "They have taken my Lord away, and I do not know where they have put him." Then she turned around and saw Jesus standing there, but she did not know that it was Jesus. "Woman, why are you crying?" Jesus asked her. "Who is it that you are looking for?" She thought he was the gardener, so she said to him, "If you took him away, sir, tell me where you have put him, and I will go and get him." Jesus said to her, "Mary." She turned towards him and said in Hebrew, "Rabboni." This means teacher. "Do not hold on to me," Jesus told her, "because I have not yet gone back up to the Father, but go to my brothers and tell them that I am returning to him who is my Father and their Father, my God and their God." So Mary Magdalene went and told the disciples that she had seen the Lord and related to them what he had told her. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be to you, O Lord Jesus Christ.